Hi, I'm Genevieve.
And I'm Michael Howland, and we're the founders of Mama Natural.
When I was pregnant with my first child, I really wanted to go natural, but I found there wasn't a lot of support or information out there.
So we started Mama Natural and soon grew it to the #1 website and book for natural parenting.
From there, we dove into supplements because believe it or not, when I was pregnant, I could not find an organic, food-based prenatal.
So we assembled a dream team of holistic doctors and midwives to create the prenatal that we wished existed.
Since then, the Mama Natural product line has grown, but always with that same commitment to pure, clean, and nourishing ingredients.
And here we are today, married for almost 20 years, raising 3 great kids, and running Mama Natural as both a business and a calling.
Please know that every product we create is made with the utmost care.
Believe me, she sweats every little detail.
Because it's worth it, and you are worth it.
So thank you so much for checking out our products.
We wish you and your family health, happiness, and love.